Hello student. In previous lecture we saw some important characters a Midsummer Night's Dream. Now we will see summary in details. A Midsummer Night's Dream is a romantic comedy written by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare has understood human nature very well. Theseus wins Hippolyta in war. Duke Theseus is preparing for his marriage to Hippolyta. After a few times, Aegeus complains to the Theseus that his daughter Hermia is not ready to marry Demetrius, and he says that she is in love with Lysander. Theseus tells Hermia to obey her father. If you does not obey him, she must either die and become a nun, and finally decide to elope to the woods and get married. Hermia told her friends Helena about eloping from Athens. Helena tells Hermia's secret to Demetrius. Demetrius follows Hermia and Lysander in the woods. Helena falls in love with Demetrius, so Helena follows Demetrius. A group of mechanicals are preparing a play for Duke Theseus and Hippolyta's wedding. The play chosen is the tragic love story of Pyramus and Thisbe. Nick Bottom is playing Pyramus and Flute is playing Thisbe. Peter Quince is advising everyone. Oberon, the king of fairies, has quarreled with his queen Titania. Titania, for a magical Indian boy, Titania refuses to hand over to the king because a magical Indian boy is very small child and she loves him. Therefore, Oberon was very sad and upset. Oberon calls Puck and says to fetch a purple flowers with juice that make people fall in love with the next creatures they see. He tells Puck to put the flower juice in Demetrius' eyes so that he falls in love with Helena. But Puck puts the flower juice in the eyes of sleeping Lysander. After Lysander wakes up and sees Helena, Lysander falls in love with Helena. Puck puts the flower juice in the eyes of sleeping Demetrius. When Demetrius wakes up, he sees Helena and falls in love with Helena. Puck overhears the rehearsals of the workers in the forest. He gives a Nick Bottom a donkey's head, and then Oberon has already put the flower juice in the eyes of sleeping Titania. Titania wakes up and she sees Nick Bottom with a donkey head. Titania falls in love with Nick Bottom, and then Hermia sees this condition. Hermia is totally confused because Lysander and Demetrius falls in love with Helena. When Hermia, Lysander, Helena and Demetrius are sleeping, Oberon orders Puck to set things right. When Hermia, Lysander, Helena and Demetrius are sleeping in the wood, Puck places restorative juice on Lysander's eyes. Nick Bottom falls asleep beside Titania after being pampered by Titania's fairies. Oberon puts restorative juice on Titania's eyes and wakes her up. Titania feels embarrassed at the sight of bottom. Titania apologizes, means confess, to Oberon and gives him the magical Indian boy. Oberon is very happy and tells to remove donkey head. Nick Bottom's donkey head is removed and he returns to that Hermia, Lysander, Helena, and Demetrius are woken up by Theseus and Hippolyta's hunting party. Lysander falls in love with her again. As Demetrius now loves Helena, Duke Theseus does not listen to Aegeus' demand of Hermia's marrying Demetrius. Hermia, Lysander, and Helena Demetrius attend Duke Theseus and Hippolyta's party, means wedding. The play Pyramus and Thisbe is presented. Peter Quint presents a prologue. The mechanical act out a clumsy version of the story. There are total 4 love stories in the play. Theseus, Hippolyta, Oberon, Titania, Hermia, Lysander, Helena, Demetrius. All the important characters are in the forest. In this forest, the fairies, moonlight, and magic creates confusion and solves all the love problems during Act 2nd and Act 3rd. Hermia, Lysander, Helena, Demetrius are united to be married in a triple wedding along with Theseus and Hippolyta. In Act 5, there is a grand celebration with the mechanical performing the play. So student, this is the summary of A Midsummer Night Dream.